This weekend, we take time to celebrate Dad, and when it comes to meal planning for Father's Day, we want to aim to include those nutrient-dense picks that support men's health. And what better way to celebrate than firing up the grill with this warm weather we have been having?
Yeah, it is definitely grilling season, and when it comes to meal planning for the grill, I think a lot of us think about what meat or protein picks we're going to choose. So if you're looking to support men's health and you want to choose a beef option, try out the beef tenderloin filet. This is a great choice because for a 3-ounce portion, you're going to get a whopping 26 grams of protein. It's less than 1 gram of saturated fat, which is that type of fat we're aiming to reduce. And then it's also going to provide another essential nutrient, zinc. So beef is going to provide about 4 milligrams or 20% of our daily value. I mean, it's a high source of that. Zinc is an essential nutrient for supporting immune health, thyroid function, and hormone health. So you can, of course, feature more beef or items like seafood. Those are also going to be rich sources of zinc to include into diet for Dad.
I love that. And filet is such a tender choice too, tender and flavorful while being lean. So to make the perfectly cooked filet on the grill, there are a few things we want to keep in mind. So to appreciate the complex flavor of the beef, keep it simple with seasoning. We don't want to go overboard there. Just a little bit of salt and pepper or maybe a simple seasoning blend. Rub that seasoning into the meat and let it sit for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, up to an hour before grilling. And we want to make sure that that grill is piping hot and grill the fillets for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Once cooked to temperature, we don't want to forget to rest it for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This is going to allow the juices to redistribute, add more flavor, and ensure a nice moist and tender steak.
And I think you gave a lot of tips, but the getting it to room temperature gets that beautiful sear. Yes, and I'm now hungry for grilled foods today. And of course, another quick and delicious grill-friendly option is featuring more seafood. I love to do shrimp kebabs from our Food City seafood department for classic surf and turf pairing. Now, a 3-ounce serving of shrimp provides more than 75% of our daily selenium. Now, selenium we might not hear as often because it's what's called a trace mineral, meaning we don't need as high of amounts, but it is still going to provide a lot of benefit to our body, specifically its antioxidant effects. Now, an important part of selenium is its connection with enzyme and protein processing. So to feature more enzymes or selenium on your plate, you can add things like seafood, including shrimp, and then beef is also a good source, or Brazil nuts are one of the highest items that we can feature again to support that men's health.
I love that. All great nutrient call-outs, and of course Brazil nuts are a little bit unique, but when it comes to that shrimp, that seafood department makes it simple to feature flavorful shrimp kebabs. You can try pre-seasoned Cajun or Old Bay style shrimp and add to soaked wooden skewers. Grill for 2 minutes per side and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice before serving. We know that lemon and seafood go together like peas in a pod, right?
Absolutely. And of course we're definitely piling on the protein here. We have quite a few tips, so don't forget your nutrient-rich pairings when it comes to featuring fruits and vegetables. And Food City shortcut griller options make this easy with options like kebabs. This is going to be an easy way to add more essential nutrients like potassium and fiber. And of course, we want to keep in mind that potassium is going to help with muscle contractions, regulating fluid, and it helps us maintain a normal blood pressure. So featuring more of those fruits and vegetables rich in potassium is also going to benefit men's health.
Right. And to create flavorful vegetable kebabs, we drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and season with smoked paprika and Food Club table blend seasoning. These are going to have less sodium. Add to the hot grill and cook for 10 minutes, turning as needed until the vegetables are cooked and slightly charred. The dry heat is going to help to caramelize those natural sugars from the vegetables, resulting in a nice smoky and flavorful finish.
And I think today we have provided a lot of tips to make it easy to celebrate Dad that can be both delicious and nutritious. Aim to increase essential nutrients and find simple ways to infuse flavor. And for more inspired recipes to celebrate Father's Day, visit foodcity.com.